Assalamu alaikum, manu Tato Gobro. Paran diversity and discrimination, civics month. Ask question, write the problems which are created by stereotypes. Answer Moksho. The following problems are created by stereotype. Number 1, stereotypes stop us from looking at each person as a unique person. Number 2, stereotypes fit large number of people into one pattern or type. 3, stereotypes prefer their own special qualities and not of others. Sodium stereotypes prevent us from doing certain things. Question number 2. What do you mean by discrimination? When does it happen? Answer Moksho. Discrimination is when we behave with others on the basis of prejudices and stereotypes. Discrimination happens in various ways. First, when a person is not allowed to take water in the same glass as others. Number 2, when a person is not allowed to enter a particular religious place. Number 3, when a person is not allowed to take water from the same well. 4th, when a person is not allowed to take a particular job. 5th, when a person is not allowed to construct a house in a particular locality. 6th, when a person is stopped from taking part in certain activities. Gobro yim sawal dites toy likhit yim karjo copy pet note ati karyuk yaad tak exams mans yen wal yithin question on yithin sawal hun jawab hekiu pat asani tan toy likhit to begri magar copy pet thajo ye yim note karit ha to suroj to khatar jaan ताकि इम्तिहानस मज हेक्यू पत कामयाबी इच सवाल याद करित हाँ इजाजत शुक्रिया आज निमो बे के प्रोग्राम है तो ब्रोट किन हाँ फी अमान अल्लाह।